Okay, I'm going to talk class 24, the market steers that were right here. As a committee, we thought in that class there was a calf that needed to go ahead and win, that white steer. We thought he was a combination calf in that class that combined some structure and body and muscle into a nice balanced package from the side. We thought he was the overall show steer, so we go ahead and use him to win. After that, it became a bit more difficult for us. We kind of moved him around a little bit. That black calf is good bodied and he's big muscled. And we like those things about him, but then we get off to the side of that steer and he's a little heavy fronted and a little out of balance from the side. Just a smaller frame steer in general, but there's some good pieces to him. And then the dark red steer that was on the left, that would be number 1. That calf from behind has some stoutness to the upper part of his hip and he's big pinned. He's got some quarter and stifle weight in him, but again, that's a more moderate frame steer that maybe we thought wasn't going to mature to be the same size as some of these other cattle. And then his front structure and his shoulder and his knee and his front foot was not ideal. So if we could redesign him in terms of structure and pick him up off the ground just a little bit, we would have liked him a bit better. That yellow calf in number 2, we thought from the side that was a pretty good show steer in terms of his balance and his look up through the front part of his body. He's considerably better in his shoulder and knee and front foot than that red calf was. Big problem with that steer is we just didn't know if he had enough muscle. So at the end of the day, we decided to go with that black steer in second, and then the good-looking yellow calf in third, and ended the class with the red steer. So that's class 24 market steers. We place them 3, 4, 2, 1, cuts of 5, 2, and 2. Class 24 market steers 3, 4, 2, 1, 5, 2, and 2.